Certainly. Installing TensorFlow on Windows for Python can be done fairly easily with the help of Python's package manager, pip. Below is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the installation process. Step 1. Install Python. 1. Download Python. Go to the official Python website, python.org downloads. Download the latest version of Python. Make sure to choose a version compatible with TensorFlow, typically Python 3.8 or higher. Install Python. Run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Choose Install Now for a standard installation. Verify Python installation. Open command prompt. You can search for it in the Start menu. Type the following command and press Enter. Bash Python version. You should see the version of Python you installed. Step 2. Install pip. If not already installed, pip is usually included with Python installations. To check if pip is installed, run bash pip version. If pip is not installed, you can install it by downloading get pip py from here bootstrap py get pip py and running bash python get pip py. Step 3. Create a virtual environment. Optional but recommended. Creating a virtual environment helps maintain dependencies for different projects separately. Navigate to your project directory. Bash path to your project. 2. Create a virtual environment. Bash python venv mienv. 3. Activate the virtual environment. Bash mienv scripts activate. You should see mienv at the beginning of your command line, indicating that the virtual environment is active. Step 4. Install TensorFlow. 1. Install TensorFlow using pip. You can install the latest stable version of TensorFlow with the following command: bash pip install TensorFlow. 2. Verify the installation. Open Python in the command line by typing Python, then run Python import TensorFlow asset print. Step 5. Example code to test TensorFlow. Here's a simple example of how to use TensorFlow to create and train a basic model. Python import TensorFlow asset from TensorFlow. Import keras, import numpy as upload the nist dataset nist teras dataset tasen sequential keras layers. Flatten input shape 28 keras layers. Dense 128. Activation relu keras layers. Dense 10. Activation softmax. Compile the model compile optimizer atom. Loss sparse categorical cross entropy. Metrics accuracy. Train the model fit ax train. You train Epoch 5 evaluate the model test loss. Test ACK model. Evaluate ACK's test. You test print and test accuracy. Test ACK conclusion. You have successfully installed TensorFlow on Windows and run a simple example. From here, you can explore more advanced features and applications of TensorFlow in machine learning and deep learning. If you encounter any issues during the installation, ensure that you have the latest version of pip and that your Python environment is set up correctly. Happy coding!